See, ladies and gentlemen, Odyssey of the Seas, one of the largest cruise ships I know. Yeah, it's owned by Royal Caribbean Group. Yeah, so Royal Caribbean Group, I think it's the ship with the biggest ships in the world. Let's say this one, Odyssey of the Seas, Icon of the Seas. Yeah, many of them, and they have many other companies which are under Royal Caribbean, the different brands. For instance, you can see. Oh, let me first show you. There is a plane landing. You see it? This is St. Kitts. Yeah, I think that's American Airline. All right. So join me as we go to this tour of St. Kitts. I think this is my third video showing you the beauty of this country. I promise you, wherever I get a chance, I must disembark and I take you through the world, you know. So I have a chance to move around the world free of charge. In fact, I get paid for moving around the world. So I must use this this chance to show you what is happening everywhere I go. Right? Yeah, the only thing I need from you, subscribe, like, share the videos. By doing so, you're making this channel visible to everybody. So don't be selfish, guys. Don't be stingy with likes and shares. Support me as you support the world. Yeah, you got it. So that's my ship. You see the beautiful Silver Ray. Actually, there are two ships over there. So the other one is Celebrity. It's under Royal Caribbean as well. Yeah, Celebrity. Very huge one. Celebrity Beyond. It's windy. It's a bit windy. To see that video, probably they'll be able to see it this time around. See? Okay.